AI will transform and is already transforming how businesses operate in countless ways. With this breakthrough technology, though, come important ethical and practical questions about how it will be used. As you consider how your organization will leverage AI in its product management practices, it's important to simultaneously think about how you'll keep your commitment to customers around privacy and security. One way to go about this is to establish a set of AI principles to guide how you utilize artificial intelligence for your own work and for your customers. This way, everyone in your product and engineering organization is aligned on the approach and can refer back to these principles anytime. At Pendo, we came up with a list of 8 principles to guide our efforts with AI. While every company's principles will look a little different, I think this list can serve as a helpful starting point. Let's take a look at them in more detail. Our first principle is a customer-centric approach. We knew it was important for our AI systems to be designed and developed to elevate our customers and their end users' experience with software. We are focused on identifying opportunities for optimization, personalization, and enhanced usability, and will actively seek feedback from customers to inform the development of AI-powered features. The second principle is transparency and open communication. We are committed to AI transparency and will openly communicate with our community about the AI features that we develop and deploy within our services. We will also ensure customers are informed about the presence, capabilities, and limitations of AI-powered features and functionality. Principle number 3 is data governance. This guideline is all about being responsible for our customers' data and their users' data throughout the AI model lifecycle. Data will only be collected, used, and stored in alignment with individual privacy rights and preferences, fundamental rights, and industry-leading standards of security. The fourth principle is optionality and customization. Our customers are in control of how they want to leverage AI in our services. Since customers have diverse needs and preferences, our AI features are optional and customizable, allowing customers to modify, fine-tune, or opt out as they see fit. Our fifth principle is compliance with legal and regulatory frameworks. We will comply with all applicable laws, regulations, and standards governing AI development and deployment, promoting a culture of legal and ethical responsibility. Principle number 6 is fairness and equity. In order to ensure a fair product experience for all users, we will actively work to identify and mitigate potential biases throughout the model development lifecycle. The seventh principle is thought leadership. We recognize the importance of staying at the forefront of technological advancements and will actively seek opportunities to push the boundaries of innovation. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and exploration, we aim to become a leading voice in the industry. And finally, our 8th principle is setting the tone from the top. Our executive team is engaged and accountable for ensuring these principles are implemented and followed throughout all uses of AI in our services and internal processes. Once we finalized our AI principles, the next important step was disseminating this information to the product and engineering teams, and also to the rest of the company. Now, any engineer developing AI features must first read through our AI principles to make sure what they're doing is in accordance with these guidelines. It also helps our product team ensure the ways they leverage AI-powered tools are in compliance with our company standards as well. As I mentioned earlier, every organization's AI principles will look a little different. Hopefully this lesson gave you an idea of what your principles might include and how you can start to establish clear guidelines around leveraging AI in product management.